Dr. Liz here with Hypnotize Me, the podcast about hypnosis, transformation, and healing. I'm basically on break during August 2017, but I did want to put out a quick episode about the Florida Society of Clinical Hypnosis, who is offering a basic training. Now, this is not sponsorship. I'm not being paid to say this. I'm actually on the board of the Florida Society of Clinical Hypnosis, and I just think their workshops are fantastic. I want to let people know about them. And one is coming up in September pretty quickly. So I thought, well, I should really put that out in August, even though I'm on break. So the basic workshop, which is what you need before you could take an advanced workshop, is 20 CEUs. It's September 15th, 16th, and 17th. So it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it's 20 hours. It counts towards certification in the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis. It's a basic workshop, meaning like you're going to learn how to do hypnosis, all the basic techniques that you would need to be able to start doing hypnosis in your practice. And it's open to doctors, medical professionals, dentists, and counselor type professions. So psychologists, LMHC, LM, FT, all the licensed professions in terms of counseling. It's also open to students who are enrolled in a doctoral program or a master's level counseling or psychology type of program. Students actually love these workshops, and you can start to develop your private practice even before you graduate as a student if you're doing hypnosis. So there's limited types that you can do, but you can do some hypnosis and start to earn some extra cash for school that way. So FISH does offer student rates for the registration, so be sure to look for those. It's being held in St. Petersburg, which is on the west coast of Florida, and registration for it is limited. So I know they're about half full. So if this is something you're interested in, I would definitely grab a spot. If you're coming in from out of town, they have a discounted hotel rate for you. And the directors and the administration of the Florida board are just so nice and will help you and answer any and all questions you have. And it's an excellent workshop. So what are you going to learn in this workshop? First of all, you're going to learn how to do hypnosis, some of the basic techniques. You're going to learn how to do it ethically. So who is it appropriate for? What kind of problems is it appropriate for? And who is it not appropriate for? Like who should you not do it for if they give you a call and want hypnosis? So the ethical use of hypnosis, using hypnosis for relaxation, stress management, pain management. So they're going to cover that even in this basic workshop. They're going to cover the use of hypnosis in terms of memory and pseudo-memory and the ethics around that. And then you're also going to get scripts that you can take home and actually use in your practice. So their notebook that they provide you has such a wonderful information in it, and actual concrete usable stuff that you can take home in your practice and be like, okay, yes, this is how I lead someone into a hypnotic trance. This is the work that we do while they're in it. And this is how I bring them out and make sure they're grounded before they continue on their way. So you're going to get very usable techniques. It's not just theory in this workshop. If you're at all interested in hypnosis, then I highly suggest this one. It is run by highly trained, accredited professionals. It is not like some fly-by-night school that put together their own training for unregulated professionals. This is for licensed professionals, this workshop. And I can tell you, my personal experience with hypnosis is that I looked at it for a couple of years before I decided to get training in it. And it has transformed my life. I love it so much. My entire practice has changed. I definitely see couples, and I do talk therapy. I do a lot of CBT. I combine hypnosis with some of that. Sometimes I don't, but the focus on my practice has changed to include a lot of hypnosis, and it's such interesting cases, and it's fun, and I look forward to going to work every day. I can seriously say that. So I really encourage you, if you're at all interested in doing hypnosis and adding that to your practice, to go ahead and sign up on their website. It is fish.org. Fish, yes, I know, for Florida Society of Clinical Hypnosis. So that is FS as in Sam, C as in Charlie, H as in Harry, .org, fish.org. And you just click on the basic workshop, and you can either pay online or you can mail in a payment. So that's their basic workshop. Now they are doing an advanced workshop in November 4th to 5th, and that's in Cocoa Beach. Those are wonderful workshops this year. It's Elaine Wagaman, and he's doing clinical hypnosis for integrated healthcare. So that's going to be a really, really good workshop. There's like a mini one that goes on before it, presented by Joyce Glasser, Core Healing Techniques Supportive of Healthy Attraction. So that should be really interesting as well. And that runs a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or if you just want the main workshop, it's just Saturday, Sunday. And again, if you go to Advanced Workshop, you can see the details there on their website, but you have to have the basic one first, or be certified already to do hypnosis and a licensed professional. So at some point you got training to be certified in order to do the advanced workshops. So I just want to let you know about the workshops coming up, but in particular, the basic one coming up in September for anyone who may be interested. All right, people, have a wonderful week. Peace. If you like this episode, do me a favor and rate, review, and subscribe on whatever player you like, or even better, tell a friend so that more and more people learn about hypnosis and how it can be helpful for them. If you want to know more about me, head over to drlizhypnosis.com. That's DRLAZ hypnosis.com. You can see the downloads and see if there's one that's helpful for your life. Or you could also join the newsletter and get a couple of free files, as well as lots of good content. I've written a newsletter for well over 10 years. Go ahead and subscribe and join the rest of the world. All right, people, have a wonderful week.